Press Club of Assam (PCA) expressed deep concern that some Guwahati-based media persons have tested positive for COVID-19. It urged the media house managements to come clean on their employees' health status as part of social responsibility. Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC Public Health Committee Chairperson H. Nutan Chandra today said efforts are on to keep the historic markets in Imphal clean and hygienic. He was participating in a cleanliness program at Kwakaithel Bazaar. He further said that IMC has started a cleanliness drive to restore all markets in the capital to their historic features. The cleanliness drive, led by IMC Public Health Committee, was organized under the supervision of IMC Mayor L. Lokeshwar. Apunba Ziribam Mera Paibi Women Association for Economic Development, Ziribam Ima Women Association of Kangleipak, Women Welfare of Kangleipak and Ziri Kaithil Chokha Taurang Imalup jointly staged a protest rally demanding resignation of Ziribam constituency MLA Asab Uddin, alleging that he has failed to execute his duty for the welfare of Ziribam denizens. India's death toll from the coronavirus pandemic surpassed 20,000 today, and case numbers surged as the South Asian nation pushed ahead with relaxations to its almost 2-month lockdown amid grim economic forecasts. The rate of both new virus infections and death are rising at the fastest pace in 3 months as officials lift a vast lockdown of India's 1.3 billion people that has left tens of thousands without work and shuttered businesses, according to media reports. As part of Van Mahotsav 2020, Divisional Forest Officer, Central Forest Division, Forest Department, Manipur, today planted saplings at the foothill of Langol Reserved Forest near Lamding Solid Waste Management Plant in Imphal West. The program was held on the theme Save Langol Reserved Forest for Future. The tree plantation was followed by a rally which kicked off from the site and ended at High Techno Bamboo Nursery Farm, Lamding. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Fellowship Award recipient Laishram Tomba Kuman, aged 75 years, was felicitated last evening at Khangabok Part 2. Tomba Kuman was given the award by the Government of India in recognition of his immense contribution in the development of rural areas. Kenjonglang Theatre and Epoch Films Production Manipur will jointly organize a 3-month-long film acting training course starting August 3rd next at the Kenjonglang Complex in Kairao, Kuno. Kenjonglang Theatre Director and National School Drama alumni Dr. S. Thanin Lema informed this to media persons today. Tripura registered 112 new COVID-19 positive cases in the last 24 hours, taking the state's overall tally to 1,693. As per media reports, so far, a total of 1,219 COVID-19 patients have recovered in Tripura, while 1 patient has died. A total of 13 patients have migrated from Tripura after they tested positive in the state. The Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) is reportedly contemplating to go ahead with their plans for the Indian Premier League (IPL). According to media reports, the favourite cash-rich cricket tournament is slated to be played in the window that's been marked out for the T20 World Cup. Meanwhile, the International Cricket Council (ICC) continues to delay making a final decision on the T20 World Cup scheduled for later this year. While the league's dates are likely to be from October to November, the BCCI is looking at a foreign venue for the IPL this year, with Sri Lanka and UAE being seen as front-runners.